Have you ever wondered why life seems to move in chaotic fragments? Individuals chase goals, yet feel more disconnected than ever. Streams of information bombard your senses, and the sense of being out of alignment grows stronger with every passing day. An unspoken secret has been hidden in plain sight for generations, cloaked by dogma and routine, waiting for that moment you become ready to see beyond the surface. It revolves around 4 hidden dimensions of existence, 4 bodies that shape each facet of your reality. Society often drills into your mind the idea that you are just one person with one single form. That limited perspective keeps you entangled in perpetual struggle, unsure why progress slips through your fingers. Walking through life with only a fraction of your essence recognized is like playing a piano, but striking only one note, expecting a masterpiece to emerge. Observing those who seem effortlessly in tune with themselves and the world might spark envy or curiosity, but their key lies in activating all 4 components of their being. Hardly anyone is ever guided to examine these layers in a holistic way, which explains why many remain trapped in confusion. Millions feel the pull towards something deeper, a sense that the visible world is only the beginning. A whisper lingers in the back of the mind, hinting that a grander tapestry awaits discovery. Institutions might label such curiosity as heresy, delusion, or pointless fantasy. Yet a spark of intuition reveals a far more captivating reality. Inside every human being rests a blueprint: physical, emotional, mental, spiritual. Each facet aligns with earth, water, air, and fire. Uncovering the intricate dance among them sets your entire life on a new trajectory, one governed by harmony rather than perpetual conflict. Missed opportunities abound when these 4 bodies remain fractured. Tension arises between your practical desires and your deeper yearnings. Beneath the clutter of daily obligations, your soul senses that something is amiss. A person can witness their desires manifest quickly once true alignment is reached. Turn a blind eye, however, and the patterns of stress, confusion, and misdirected effort loop endlessly. Recognizing the existence of these multiple layers signals the first step toward liberation. Embrace that notion, and every aspect of your life can undergo profound recalibration. Imagine carrying 4 unique instruments within you, each vital for crafting a symphony of life that resonates with authenticity. Physical form stands as the earthly drum, steady and anchoring the rhythm. Emotions flow like an ever-changing ocean, sculpting experiences through tidal shifts of feeling. Thoughts soar on currents of air, forging mental landscapes that shape perception. The spiritual spark burns as an inner flame, the unseen force igniting every act of creation. Consider a grand wheel with 4 spokes. When all spokes are balanced, movement proceeds smoothly. Let a single spoke break or become misaligned, and the wheel wobbles, complicating the journey. Bodies function in a similar fashion. Physical well-being influences emotional stability, which in turn affects mental clarity and opens gateways to spiritual insight. Treating one aspect as though it exists in isolation leads to partial solutions at best, leaving deeper root causes untouched. True mastery requires acknowledging the entire system. Unfolding the layers of these hidden bodies goes beyond intellectual understanding. Think of a seed that carries an entire forest's blueprint. Knowledge remains dormant until the right elements, water, sunlight, soil, and patience, come together. The same principle applies to self-discovery. An individual may read volumes on esoteric practices, attend countless seminars, or search distant lands for secrets. Without cultivating each core aspect, newfound wisdom rarely takes root. Dormant power stays locked inside, much like a dormant seed that never receives sunlight. A wise teacher might compare the process to constructing a house on firm ground. Building walls and ceilings is futile if the foundation is weak. No matter how lovely the design might appear, the entire structure risks collapse under strain. Your four bodies require a solid platform before the transformative work can flourish. Strengthen that physical core, attune your emotional flow, purify the mind, and spark the inner fire. Approaching them sequentially or simultaneously depends on circumstances, but each step layers upon the previous one, forming a stable, integrated whole. Cycles govern existence from the growth of a plant to the swirling progression of the cosmos. Each season, spring, summer, autumn, winter, mirrors spiritual stages within the human journey. A particular era of life might bloom with possibilities reminiscent of spring. Energy surges, the mind awakens, and fresh perspectives take shape. Then arrives summer, teeming with action and challenges that test your newfound understanding. Through summer's heat, the fire within either matures or fizzles out. Harvest comes in autumn, bringing reflection and release. Just as leaves detach from branches, old beliefs and outdated emotional baggage must be allowed to fall away. Emptying oneself can feel jarring, yet it paves the way for the next transformation. Winter represents a temporary hush. Darkness and stillness envelop the landscape, creating an environment where deeper integration occurs. Beneath the snow, seeds rest quietly, biding their time. The same principle applies to your personal evolution. After intense shifts, a period of seeming dormancy allows the body and mind to heal. Picture a long-distance traveler who repeatedly encounters similar roadblocks. Without recognizing these seasons of change, the traveler might curse fate or blame random circumstances. However, perceiving the cyclical nature of existence reveals a map to navigate life with purpose. If you can identify which season your soul inhabits, adapting becomes much simpler. Spring might call you to learn and explore, while summer demands courage and tenacity. Autumn encourages letting go, and winter fosters introspection. A pilgrim in ancient times used parables to illustrate these truths. One story spoke of a farmer who sowed seeds every spring without fail, nurtured them in summer, reaped the harvest in autumn, and rested in winter. Year after year, a new cycle arose, each carrying deeper wisdom and refined skill. That farmer thrived by respecting nature's rhythm. Likewise, acknowledging the flow of your own cycles instills a sense of peace, even when outer events seem chaotic. Vibration stands as a pivotal key within this occult framework. Quantum physics hints that all particles behave as waves under observation, shifting states based on the observer's focus. Hermetic teachings, echoed by various ancient traditions, emphasize that everything vibrates at unique frequencies. Fear, despair, and anger resonate at lower levels, pulling you into cycles of conflict. Love, gratitude, and joy operate at elevated frequencies, opening doors to synchronicities and opportunities. Monitoring your personal vibration can alter the trajectory of each day. Words, media, music, and even people can either elevate or suppress your state. When negative headlines or draining interactions dominate your attention, the subtle energy body reflects that downward shift. By consciously selecting what to absorb or project, the field around you changes shape. This isn't mere optimism, it is pragmatic energy management, recognizing that you carry the capacity to adjust your internal frequency grants genuine power. Energy exchange operates on a give-and-take basis. Interactions at home, in the workplace, or online present a constant flow of energetic currency. Minimizing leaks becomes essential to sustaining vibrancy and focus. Individuals who harness this principle effectively notice enhanced resilience, sharpened intuition, and a sense of calm, even during turbulent times. Much like sealing cracks in a water vessel, patching leaks in your personal energy shield prevents depletion and fortifies well-being. Directing these energies requires practical methods. Conscious breathing offers a simple yet profound entry point. Deep inhalations, followed by measured exhalations, anchor your awareness in the present. Rather than shallow chest breathing, allow air to fill your lower abdomen. This practice engages the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering stress responses and stabilizing emotional swings. Balancing the natural flow of your daily rhythm supports these practices. Ancient guidelines highlight the early morning hours for clearing mental clutter and energizing the body. Hydration, gentle movement, and a focused intention set the tone for productivity. Midday breaks help recalibrate any restless or chaotic thoughts. Evening routines, involving dimmer lights and calming activities, let your entire system ease into restorative sleep. Tracking these phases may seem tedious at first, but consistency yields surprising clarity and renewed vitality. Paying attention to your surroundings matters too. Physical space carries its own energetic signature. Rearranging furniture to permit unblocked pathways, clearing out clutter, and introducing elements such as plants or natural light shapes a supportive environment. Even color choices and specific layouts can accelerate or hinder your efforts. Fostering harmonious spaces ensures that each step toward alignment feels more organic and less forced. Unification of the four bodies, the fundamental mystery behind many esoteric teachings, forms the heart of true transformation. Establish a strong foundation in physical well-being through proper nourishment, movement, and rest. Cultivate emotional intelligence so inner waters remain clear and purposeful. Refine mental patterns to reflect clarity and vision, enabling constructive thought to manifest outward realities. Finally, kindle spiritual fire by fostering a connection to something larger than the mundane sphere. When these four aspects unite, you step into an entirely different realm of living. Obstacles that once loomed large appear as stepping stones toward growth. Creativity emerges spontaneously, guided by deeper intuition, while a sense of grounded stability anchors every decision. This isn't magic in the popular sense, it's the natural outcome of balancing fundamental forces inherent in every individual. An awakened person no longer remains a passive observer. You become an orchestrator of reality, weaving possibilities into the everyday world with confidence and composure. That transformation can't be reversed once initiated. The curtain is pulled back, and life adopts a renewed sense of wonder. Each new dawn arrives as an opportunity to deepen unity and inspire others to reclaim their power. Embrace the path ahead. Your four hidden bodies stand ready to guide you toward an expansive future.